Ever wondered how people just like you are turning their passion for the internet into cold, hard cash? Well, get ready to uncover the secrets of ClickBank, the ultimate playground for affiliate marketers. If you've ever dreamed of making money online but didn't know where to start, you're in for a treat. Join us as we unravel the mystery behind ClickBank and show you how to kickstart your journey to financial freedom. So grab a seat and get ready to embark on an adventure into the exciting world of affiliate marketing, where the possibilities are endless and the rewards are waiting for you to claim. Hey there, welcome to our crash course on ClickBank, the ultimate beginner's guide to diving into the world of affiliate marketing and making some serious cash. If you've ever wondered how people make money online while sipping their morning coffee in their pajamas, well, you're about to find out. So what the heck is ClickBank anyway? Think of it as your digital marketplace filled with all sorts of goodies, from ebooks and courses to software and everything in between. But here's the kicker: instead of buying these products yourself, you get to promote them to others and earn a juicy commission for every sale you make. Pretty sweet, right? But hold up, before you start picturing yourself rolling in piles of cash, let's take a step back and get the lay of the land. ClickBank isn't some mystical money-making machine. It's a platform just like any other, with its own set of rules and quirks. In this guide, we're going to break it all down for you, from soup to nuts, or should I say from ClickBank to commissions. We'll start with the basics: what ClickBank is, how it works, and why it's such a game changer for aspiring entrepreneurs like yourself. Then we'll dive into the nitty-gritty details like setting up your ClickBank account, finding profitable products to promote, and mastering the art of affiliate marketing. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned marketer looking to up your game, we've got you covered. So grab a pen and paper, or your smartphone, we're not picky, and get ready to take some notes. By the time we're done here, you'll be armed with all the knowledge and tools you need to crush it on ClickBank and start living life on your own terms. Let's do this. Understanding ClickBank. Alrighty, let's get down to the nitty-gritty and unravel the mystery behind ClickBank. Picture it like your favorite online store, but instead of physical products, it's chock full of digital goodies waiting to be discovered. So what exactly is ClickBank? At its core, it's a platform that connects product creators, folks like writers, course creators, and software developers, with affiliate marketers as known as people like you and me who want to promote those products and earn some moolah. Here's how it works. Let's say you stumble upon an awesome ebook on ClickBank about training your pet goldfish to do backflips. Hey, stranger things have happened. You sign up as an affiliate, grab a special link for the ebook, and start sharing it with your friends, family, and followers. Now here's the fun part. Every time someone clicks on your link and buys the ebook, you earn a commission. Cha-ching! It's like getting paid to spread the word about stuff you love, or stuff your pet goldfish would love in this case. But wait, there's more! ClickBank isn't just about ebooks. It's a treasure trove of digital products spanning countless categories, from health and fitness to personal development and beyond. So whether you're passionate about yoga, cooking, or underwater basket weaving, there's bound to be something on ClickBank that tickles your fancy. And the best part? ClickBank handles all the boring stuff, like processing payments, tracking sales, and doling out commissions. So you can focus on what you do best, promoting awesome products and cashing those commission checks. So buckle up, my friend, because you're about to embark on an epic journey into the wild and wonderful world of ClickBank. Getting started with ClickBank. All right, now that you've got the lowdown on what ClickBank is all about, it's time to roll up your sleeves and dive in. But before you can start raking in those sweet affiliate commissions, you'll need to set up your ClickBank account. Don't sweat it, though. Setting up your account is as easy as pie. Just head on over to the ClickBank website, hit the sign-up button, and follow the prompts. It's like creating an account on your favorite social media platform, but with way more potential for making bank. Once you've got your account all set up, it's time to explore the ClickBank dashboard, your new best friend in the world of affiliate marketing. Here, you'll find all sorts of cool features and tools to help you navigate the ClickBank universe like a pro. Take some time to poke around and get familiar with the layout. Trust me, it'll pay off in the long run. Next up, it's time to start exploring the ClickBank marketplace and finding products to promote. With thousands of products to choose from across a wide range of categories, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. Whether you're into fitness, finance, or fashion, there's something for everyone on ClickBank. But before you start promoting willy-nilly, take a moment to think about your niche and target audience. What are their interests, pain points, and needs? The more you understand your audience, the better equipped you'll be to choose products that resonate with them and drive sales. Finding profitable products on ClickBank. All right, buckle up because it's time to start hunting for those golden nuggets. The profitable products that'll have you swimming in affiliate commissions in no time. But with thousands of products to choose from in the ClickBank marketplace, where do you even begin? Don't worry, we've got your back. First things first, fire up that internet browser and head on over to the ClickBank marketplace. Once you're there, it's like being a kid in a candy store. Except instead of candy, it's filled with all sorts of digital products just waiting to be discovered. Now here's the million-dollar question. How do you separate the winners from the duds? Well, my friend, it all comes down to a little something called the gravity score. This nifty little metric tells you how well a product is selling on ClickBank. Generally, the higher the gravity score, the more popular and profitable the product. But wait, there's more. While the gravity score is a great starting point, it's not the be-all and end-all. You'll also want to consider things like product quality, relevance to your audience, and competition level before making your decision. So how do you know if a product is worth promoting? Simple. Do your homework. Take the time to research each product thoroughly, read reviews, and maybe even reach out to the product creator to ask questions. Remember, the more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions and maximize your earnings. With a little bit of patience and persistence, you'll soon uncover a treasure trove of profitable products just waiting to be promoted. So roll up your sleeves and start digging. Your affiliate marketing empire awaits. Promoting ClickBank products effectively. All right, you've got your ClickBank account set up, you've found some awesome products to promote. Now what? It's time to roll up your sleeves and start spreading the word like a pro. First things first, let's talk affiliate links. These bad boys are the bread and butter of affiliate marketing. Each product you promote will come with its own unique affiliate link, which you'll use to track your sales and earn those sweet commissions. So be sure to grab those links and keep them handy. You'll be using them a lot. Now onto the fun stuff, promoting your ClickBank products like a boss. There are tons of ways to get the word out and attract potential buyers. But one of the most effective methods is through content marketing. Whether you're writing blog posts, creating videos, or posting on social media, be sure to create content that's informative, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Speaking of social media, don't underestimate the power of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter when it comes to promoting ClickBank products. With billions of users worldwide, social media offers a massive audience just waiting to discover your awesome recommendations. And let's not forget about good old-fashioned email marketing. Building an email list of engaged subscribers is a great way to promote ClickBank products and generate passive income. Just be sure to provide value to your subscribers and avoid spamming them with constant promotions. With a little creativity and hustle, you'll be well on your way to promoting ClickBank products like a pro and earning those sweet affiliate commissions in no time. Maximizing earnings with ClickBank. All right, now that you've dipped your toes into the ClickBank affiliate marketing pool, it's time to crank things up a notch and start maximizing those earnings like a true hustler. First things first, let's talk goals. It's crucial to set realistic income goals for yourself so you know what you're working towards. Whether you're aiming to make a few extra bucks on the side or dreaming of quitting your day job and becoming a full-time affiliate marketer, having clear goals will keep you focused and motivated. Once you've got your goals in place, it's time to start scaling your efforts and increasing your income potential. One of the best ways to do this is by leveraging successful campaigns and doubling down on what's working. Take a look at your past promotions and identify the products and strategies that have been most successful, then use that knowledge to fuel your future efforts. But don't stop there. Be sure to explore advanced strategies for growing your income even further. Whether it's building a team of affiliate marketers to promote products on your behalf or investing in paid advertising to reach a wider audience, there are plenty of ways to take your ClickBank earnings to the next level. And don't forget to stay on top of your game by staying informed about the latest trends and developments in the world of affiliate marketing. Join forums, attend webinars, and network with other affiliate marketers to stay ahead of the curve and keep your income flowing. With a little bit of hard work, determination, and creativity, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your earnings with ClickBank and living the affiliate marketing dream. Avoiding common pitfalls and mistakes. All right, listen up. As you embark on your ClickBank journey, there are a few bumps in the road you'll want to steer clear of. We're talking about common pitfalls and mistakes that could trip you up and slow your roll. First off, let's talk about rejection. As an affiliate marketer, you're bound to face some rejection along the way, whether it's from potential customers or product creators. But here's the thing, rejection is just part of the game. Instead of letting it get you down, use it as fuel to keep pushing forward and refining your approach. Another thing to watch out for is falling for scams or promoting low-quality products. While ClickBank is home to thousands of legit products, there are always a few bad apples in the bunch. Before promoting any product, do your homework. Read reviews, check out the product creator's reputation, and make sure it's something you'd feel good about recommending to your audience. And finally, don't forget to learn from your mistakes. We all make them. It's part of the learning process. The key is to recognize where you went wrong, adjust your approach accordingly, and keep moving forward. Remember, every failure is just another step on the path to success. By avoiding these common pitfalls and learning from your mistakes, you'll be well equipped to navigate the ups and downs of the ClickBank affiliate marketing world and come out on top. So keep your chin up, stay focused, and keep hustling. You've got this. So what's next for you? Maybe you'll dive deeper into the world of affiliate marketing, exploring new niches and finding even more profitable products to promote. Or perhaps you'll take what you've learned and apply it to other areas of your life and business. Thanks for tuning into our ClickBank adventure. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.